It was a fun movie. Wasn't expecting this. Came for Jack Black alone. It was a fun movie. Family movie. That's all. Yeah.
Thank you.
Are you sure this is legal? They have the rights to make this?
Yeah, like it was a very good, like fun, like spoof kind of thing. Like it was very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, movie was very good. I mean, my son liked it so much.
It's funny, it's nice.
Family ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು.
Yes, that's why I got my daughter, my mother-in-law.
It's funny, yeah, you can enjoy it. It was a nice movie, very funny, and like many people can come watch this movie. It's really good. It's good for kids and also adults.
ಮೂವಿ ತುಂಬ ಫನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ, ತುಂಬ ಕಾಮಿಡಿ ಇದೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕರ್ಕೊಬಂದು ನೋಡಿ, ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ.